Now this is how you can unblock contacts and the numbers on the iPad. Let's get started. So the iPad doesn't have a dedicated phone app, but you can still perform calls through FaceTime and other services. So if you open up the settings and head over to the apps section at the bottom and then find the FaceTime on the list, you can get inside in here and you have all of the things and settings which can be managed, right? So you can go through them like that. And at the bottom, you have the calls section where you can find blocked contacts. So you can get inside in here and so many different like numbers and addresses are listed in here. So you can tap on that and essentially you can browse them like that, or you can click on edit and tap on the minus icon next to them. So this essentially means that you will have the ability to remove them from the block list and therefore unblock them. So that's how you kind of have to do this. So it also tells you that when you have them on this list, you will not receive phone calls, messages, email, or FaceTime from people on here in this list. So if you remove them, then they will be unblocked and will have the ability to contact you through these means. So that's how you can do this. Besides that, you might also be using some third-party app for your calls, like, I don't know, like Google Meet or Zoom. And there, I believe you also have the ability to block someone. So if you want to unblock them specifically, you will have to go to that app where you perform the block. But this is on the iPad generally for the FaceTime and all of the callers like that. So that's how it works. That's everything I wanted to show you. Hit the thumbs up if you found this video helpful. Most definitely subscribe below to this channel as I publish a lot of tutorials each day and I believe that they are going to help you. So go ahead and subscribe right now and I can see you in the future.